Today, we're going to learn about something amazing happening inside your body every single day, your digestive system. Have you ever wondered what happens to your food after you chew and swallow it? Get ready to take a magical journey through your mouth, down your tummy tube, and all the way through your body to see how food turns into energy that helps you grow strong and healthy. Let's start exploring the incredible digestive system. Mouth turns food into small pieces with the help of the teeth and saliva. Esophagus carries food from the mouth to the stomach. Stomach churns and mixes food with gastric juice. Liver produces bile, breaks down fat, and removes toxins. Gallbladder stores the bile the liver produces. Pancreas produces enzymes that help break down food. Small intestines digests and absorbs proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Large intestines absorbs salt and water from food, leaving a soft mass called stool. Rectum acts as the stool's temporary storage. Anus, where stool exits the body. Thanks for watching, friends. We hope you had fun learning all about your amazing digestive system. Remember, eating healthy foods and drinking plenty of water helps keep your tummy happy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome science adventures. See you next time.